Hello, Dan here from the Badjr. Today I will cover the creation of Onsite Assists or callouts from our Unity platform. From your Unity login, go to Onsite Assists located in the left column. The default view will show all created onsite tickets in all states. To create a new onsite request, click Add Onsite Assist. Now you will enter in all the required information for the technician who will be going to site. Choose the client and the site the technician needs to go to, the affected user, the on-site action and subtask of that action. This is used to categorize different types of callouts. For example, meeting requests that are not billed, or after hours that would be billed differently. In this case, we will choose a normal support callout. Then we will add the specific task that needs to be done. Multiple tasks can be created. You can add a note for the technician that only they can see if there are any extra instructions that the client does not need to know about. Next, you can estimate how long you expect the technician will be on site for. And finally, you can assign a technician if you already know who will be going to site. If you have an admin team that books callouts, they can also reassign the ticket to a different technician. So this field could be left blank, and we will leave it blank for now. Then click Save. You will then see the overview of the ticket created. You can edit it from here, or click the Schedule button to book a time. You can also get to the screen from the main Onsite Assist page by clicking Toggle List or Calendar. This will take you to the calendar screen where you can drag the created ticket to a time slot for the technician who will be going to site. Once the appropriate technician and time slot have been chosen, click Save Calendar. And lastly, on the main Onsite Assists page in the list mode, you can use the filters here to see only the tickets that are unscheduled, or only tickets for a specific technician, or only tickets for a client that were started inside a specific date range. In the next video, I will go over the cell phone app and how the technician going to site will be able to start and stop the callout, thereby enabling you to bill more accurately for hours spent on site. Thanks for watching.